Hello, I'm Joel and welcome to another of my Palm Cove market updates, this time for September 2023. We're having a very strong tourist season here in Palm Cove. The cafes and restaurants are thriving and the hotels are near capacity. It's great to have that energy about the suburb when I'm doing my day-to-day inspections in the area, and it's always good to have the opportunity to catch up with previous clients that are here holidaying right now. In terms of real estate, there is plenty of buyer activity in the market, and there seems to be a new wave of buyers in the investigation stage of their purchases. I always find it takes a few years for most people to go from the investigation to the purchasing stage in this holiday investment market, but it's great to see many new buyers coming to the marketplace. As an overall snapshot, time on market for properties has increased by, on average, around 20% for the standard property. And stock levels in the suburb are increasing slowly but surely. Prices for the most part are holding quite firmly. Still some record prices happening, but the big growth numbers we've seen over the past few years have certainly slowed as we return to a slightly more balanced property market. Palm Cove remains in a fantastic position, however, and I'm optimistic about the future of the property market in the suburb. There were 53 recorded home sales in Palm Cove in the last 12 months, at a total dollar volume of $63,744,200. That is down 50% from the 105 properties that sold in the previous rolling 12-month period. Now onto apartments. The median apartment price is now at $455,000. This is an increase of 21%, and the average unit price is now $573,778. There have been 131 apartment sales for a total dollar volume of $75,165,000 in Palm Cove over the last year. And this is down from the previous year of 215 sales in that previous 12-month period. This is a 39% decrease in the number of sales, but just a 27% decrease in the total value itself. It's interesting to note that in the past 12 months, apartments have shown more growth than in houses. I personally feel apartment prices are starting to show the benefit they've actually had over the last few years, and some of the higher value apartments have now been selling, which is also pushing that median and average price up. Now onto stock levels. Currently in Palm Cove, there are 89 advertised properties for sale on realestate.com. 61 of these are available and not listed as under offer. And this comprises of 22 houses and 39 units that are available for purchase right now. This is up by 10% from my last report and last quarter for houses, and apartments are up by 25% in the last 3 months. Personally, I have 15 properties available for purchase in Palm Cove at the time of reading, which is the most stock I've had available in quite some time. Personally, I've handled more sales in the suburb than any other agent, 31 total, and Bell Property Cairns has sold 44 properties in Palm Cove in the last 12-month period. This means Bell Property Cairns has handled 24% of all the sales in the suburb in this period, and we still retain our market leader title for Palm Cove for another quarter. If you're looking to sell or buy, there is a very strong chance that we are already dealing with your next purchaser. If you are considering selling, I'm more than happy to provide you with an obligation-free market appraisal and discuss the best method to achieve the highest possible price for your property in the current market. If you haven't had your property valued recently, now may be a very good time to evaluate the situation. Thank you again for watching, and I hope to see you in Palm Cove soon. Take care.